How to read log-off and sign out logs in Event Viewer in Windows. This tutorial will show you how to view the date, time, and user details of all user-initiated log-off and sign-out event logs in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Right-click in Start Logo, and click Run. Type eventvwr.msc into Run. In the left pane of Event Viewer, open Windows Logs. Right-click on Security and click on Filter Current Log. Enter the 4647 event ID into the field, and click on OK. You can now view the details of user-initiated log-off event logs. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel.